Hi everyone, today is about pulling up my elephant garlic, my ordinary garlic, my onions, my shallots. I want to see if they were actually worth the space. So I just want to do a side-by-side comparison. So there's an elephant garlic and there's one of my largest ordinary garlics. So even though that's the largest other ordinary garlic I've got, the elephant garlics are still comparably a lot bigger. I've waited all this time for these beds to finish, and today, on the summer solstice, I'm going to see if it's all been worth it. These are the ones I've been waiting to see. Look at the size of that. So I'm starting with the elephant garlic first, because that's the one I've been curious about, and then we'll do a comparison. Let's have a look. You get those bulbs and you can grow them or you can eat them. Go right down deep underneath the bulb. And bulbs. So these have definitely been the ones that I've been waiting for. Just worried. I was worried with all that rain. But the summer solstice starts today, and that's a perfect time to pull up all your garlic and onions. So another one to take up here. Beautiful day today. It's only just turned 9 o'clock and I've got sun cream on, sunglasses on. What's not to like? Now we're going to try some of the ordinary garlic. Because yes, the elephant garlic's huge big bulbs, but I'll get more of the ordinary garlic. It's a lot more productive. Let's just take a look. Same again, get right underneath. Decent sized bulb. And then you compare it against the elephant garlic, you can see there's a massive difference, but it's not all about size. Let's have a look at another one. Yeah, really good. Really pleased with those. I've also got onions and shallots to take up, so let's have a look at those. Got some red onions here. You can see between the weeds. So let's see what this is like. Look at the size of that. That's really good. Really pleased with that. This one looks a whopper. Yeah. Those are fantastic. So alongside all me garlics, my elephant garlics, I've been growing onions. Let's take a look at the white onions now. That's a decent looking onion. This is the first season for a while that I've grown shallots. I don't usually bother, but they look to have done quite nicely. So I'm really happy with the elephant garlic. It's very impressive. But I'm also happy with the ordinary garlic and onions. They've done really, really well. And now I just need to dry them properly and make a decision on what I'd grow again. So the next stage now is about drying them off before I store them. You can do this outside, but it's due to rain tomorrow, so I'm not going to take any chances. I'm going to lay them out in the greenhouse. They're on a rack, so it's getting plenty of air circulation around. They'll dry really well. Then I'll decide which ones I want to keep for planting next year. So I'll keep some of the bulbs of the elephant garlic because they're expensive to buy. So if you can grow them and use your own, it saves a lot of money. And then I've got them laid out. So I've got the shallots here, elephant garlic here, white onions, red onions, and I've still got more to put out. So they'll stay here now for, I don't know, 10 days, 2 weeks. Got the windows open, the vents are open, the doors open. I've got an extractor fan, so they'll get plenty air circulation. They'll dry off nicely, and then I'll select which ones I'm going to use straight away for cooking, because not all will dry perfectly and some of them will need using. Then I'll decide, obviously I've got some smaller ones here. They're going to be pickled onions, probably some of the smaller shallots. And then I'll decide out the elephant garlic. I'll take a few bulbs and then keep them for next season. And honestly, the elephant garlic's the most exciting visually because it is ginormous. But ordinary garlic, it's a staple, you know what I mean? You need that. And to be honest, I do think the elephant garlic is worth growing for the size and novelty. But the ordinary garlic may still be better as an all-round crop. But I would recommend people to give the elephant garlic a go. Overall, I'm happy with that harvest. Not every bulb is perfect, but it's definitely worth the space and time. If you want to see what goes in the space next, that'll be coming up soon. Catch you in the next one.